This is a work called My Red Homeland. It's red wax, oil paint mixed with wax. I felt I'd use color in various different ways, but I hadn't used it in its most traditional form, which was oil paint. So I made this big machine that it's a block that slowly moves through the object, just slowly churns like that, moves very slow. So somewhere between a kind of geology and a kind of biology. One can't look at color without associative realities. And when it's red like this, then it's all the things you know. So I continue to explore this in different ways. This is a group of objects that are based on the principle, the very old idea of sculpture, that you take a two-dimensional form, a two-dimensional diagram, and move it through space, and it becomes a three-dimensional thing. So these are all objects that come out of that process. I began to wonder, could one use the space in a different way? Could one use the space to make the object, rather than putting an object in a space and moving something like a wall or a former or whatever? So I made this thing, which is, it's as if, yes, I'll explain. So it's a work called Swayam, which is a Sanskrit word meaning self-made or auto-generated. One of the fictions about a pigment object is that it made itself. I didn't make it. It just was there. So if one takes that really seriously, can one set up something? Of course, it's all lies. It's all fiction anyway. But can one set up a fiction that says the object made itself? So what I did was cast a block of wax and set it on rails and move it through the building. And it takes the form of the doors. It's as if the building is kind of, forgive the phrase, but shitting this thing, pushing it out, forcing it. Then where negative space becomes positive space, where the object is in transition, it's happening, it's taking place. It's in passage. If I go, to this one, I showed this at the Haus der Kunst in Munich, the building in which Hitler did whatever he did, banned anything that was progressive and forward-thinking. And of course, it immediately took on this whole other meaning. A thing, a train, I won't go into it further. But I was interested and appalled, in a way, that at the way that an object can accrue to itself this kind of deep psychic memory.